Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Today I would love to share with you this Nigerian recipe. This Nigerian fried rice is very easy to prepare. This easy fried rice recipe is the best fried rice recipe you ever try. I'm going to use cock liver in this recipe. Welcome to Olayemi kitchen. If you are looking for how to cook most delicious Nigerian food and more, then you are in the right place. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you have not, please remember to hit the subscribe button on this video so you get updated every time I upload new video. Please remember to hit the like button on this video too, and I would love to see your comment. Let's cook our fried rice. This is one of our ingredients, liver. Please do not forget to check the description for more ingredients. However, I have cooking oil in preheated pan, so I'm going to add my diced onions into it. Remember to put your cooker in medium heat so your vegetables will not get burned. So I'm going to stir this for a couple of minutes before adding other vegetables. Now I'm going to add my green bell pepper into this diced onions. So I'm going to stir this vegetables together. Nigerian fried rice, I would love to say, is a complete meal on its own. You do not need to worry about a side dish or a protein unless you are taking it out. However, I'm going to add orange diced bell pepper into this. Start stirring this before adding my yellow bell pepper. Please remember to check the description for the ingredients, the list of ingredients and the amount of ingredients that I'm using on this Nigerian fried rice. However, I really love making fried rice at home because it's very easy to put together, and you can make this dish at home and everyone will love it, even the picky ones. However, what sets this fried rice apart is the addition of liver, curry and thyme. I'm going to stir this liver along with the vegetables before adding my thyme and curry into this vegetables, just to give it a nice unique flavor. You see, this liver really set this fried rice apart. That's why Nigerians really love this liver in the touch of Nigerian fried rice. Do you know what? Do you know the best part of this Nigerian fried rice is that you can customize this Nigerian fried rice or this fried rice to suit your taste. If you are a vegetarian, you can as well leave the meat completely out and increase the vegetables to suit your taste. Please do not forget to subscribe to this video so you get updated every time I upload a new recipe. Please remember to hit the like button on this video and leave down a comment what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Now I'm going to add our curry powder to give it a nice flavor. Then I'm also going to add thyme leaf, dry thyme leaf, and some black pepper. So I'm going to add some amount of curry powder. Then I'm going to stir before adding thyme leaf. Actually, when I'm cooking, I love adding my spice one after the other because I want each spice to taste in the food. Then I'll stir before adding it. How do you like adding your spice? Do you like adding it at once? Please write it in the comment section. Please, I want to know how you add your spice into your food. So I'm going to add some seasoning. I already add black pepper into it. Then I'm going to add some pinch of salt. Then I'll stir it. I'm going to add my frozen mixed vegetables, which is carrot and sweet pea. So I'm going to add it. Then I'll stir everything together. So the the pinch of salt and the seasoning and the carrots are going to mix together. Our vegetable is ready. It's time for us to add our vegetables with our rice. So I'm going to add this vegetable with the rice. I already prepared the rice, so it's time for us to combine the rice with the vegetable. However, it's time for us to stir our vegetable with our rice. So we are going to combine this gently, so everything is going to mix together. Have you subscribed to my video yet? If not, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get updated of more new and delicious recipe of my cooking. Please remember to hit the subscribe button so you get updated of my latest recipe. What do you think about this Nigerian fried rice? Please remember to leave a comment in the comment section, so let me know what you think about this recipe. Please do not forget to bring your spoon to join me in eating this Nigerian fried rice. Please do not forget to check out my other delicious recipes. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Please remember to check it out, or you can as well check the end screen for more of my recipe. I'm going to put the link up here. You can as well click it for more delicious recipe. Thanks for watching my video. I guess I will see you all in my next delicious recipe. Please let's hang out in the comment section. I'll always be there.